Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to give you a look at my UTaste kitchen tongs. So these come in a set of 3. They're all different sizes. So this one's obviously the small, the medium, and the large. I love that it comes in a set of 3. I am always running on one set of tongs and it's awful. If you have more than one thing in a meal that needs its own set, or if you have one in the dishwasher, it's so inconvenient. So with 3, you are always prepared. I love that this one is tiny, so if you just want to do maybe hors d'oeuvres or something that you need just a tiny pair with, this is perfect for that. Medium, obviously you're going to use all the time, salads, cooking, everything. And this big one I love for barbecuing. So you know how hot that barbecue can get and how a short pair of tongs just won't cut it. So this gives you that extra little bit of space from the heat that you desperately need. It's also made with a really great high quality silicone, which means that it's not going to melt on you. It has a 600 Fahrenheit heat rating. So anything I'm going to cook in my oven isn't going to exceed that. So I love that that's safe and it's going to really last the test of time. It has a nice locking feature. So when you're putting it away, no room, it's going to be nice and sleek. So really easy, close it to open, pull it to keep it closed, and it even has the circles if you want to hang them. They're also dishwasher safe. So this particular set is in the teal color, which is beautiful, but they come in all kinds of colors, so choose your favorite. But if you're looking for a really high quality set of tongs, or a 3-pack of tongs, then I cannot recommend these ones enough from UTaste, and that's my point of view.